That is your last topic of probability. Some extra examples I have taken, which is such type of the examples are not given in textbook. So I have taken from the practice book. Then I will send you the practice book exercise that you will try to solve at home. Okay. If you have some difficulty, contact me. I will try to solve you. The probability of non-leap year having 53 Fridays is this. Non-leap year માં 53 Fridays હોય એની probability કેટલી? Clear? The probability of non-leap year having 53 Fridays. So, divided by solution, any leap year has how many days? 366. So, first of all, divide 7 divided by 366 divided by 7. So, you will get the quotients at 52, remainder as 2. That means it contains 52 complete weeks and 2 more days. 152 complete weeks અને વધારાના 2 દિવસ. That means every day of the week will occur 52 times always. બધા days 52 times નો આવવાના જ એક વીકમાં એક વખત. The remaining 2 days can be any pair of the following days. બાકીના 2 દિવસ છે વૈદા તે દિવસે either Sunday Monday, Monday Tuesday, Tuesday Wednesday, Wednesday Thursday, Thursday Friday, Friday Saturday, Saturday Sunday, like this. That means how many Fridays are there? 2. There is 2 ways for the Fridays for this remaining 2 days. So total number of possible outcomes of getting Fridays, total number of possible outcomes is equal to 7. That is total number of days of week, 7. Total number of favorable result getting the Fridays on that 2 days, among the 2 days, is equal to 2. That means probability of 53 Fridays in the leap year is equal to total number of favorable result 2. Total number of outcome 7. 2 upon 7. Get it? Now, the probability of the month of December in any year having 5 Saturday. 5 Saturday December માં હોય તેના માટેની probability કેટલી? There are 31 days in this December. 31 divided by 4. So you will get 4 into 7 plus 3, 28 plus 3. So that means it has 4 complete weeks and 3 more days. Hence all days of week occur 4 times always. Remaining 3 days can be of the following triplets: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this way. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These triplets, among these triplets, one of these is right. How many Saturdays are there? Here 1 Saturday, here 2 Saturday, and here 3rd Saturday is there. બાકીના 3 દિવસમાંથી આ 3 રીતે એક વખત સેટરડે આવી શકે. So total number of possible outcomes, number of days 7. The total number of favorable result is equal to 3. So probability of 5 Sunday December, number of favorable result upon total number of outcomes, that means 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7. Get it? Suppose you are asking, instead of December, you are asking April. આપણને તમને એના બદલે શું પૂછ્યું? April. Then 30, number of days of April is 30 divided by 7. 4s are 28. So that is remainder to and that is 7. 2 upon 7 is the answer. Suppose you are asking like this way, the probability of month of February of a non-leap year having 5 Wednesday, non-leap year, that means how many days? 28. So 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. So remainder 0 upon 7, probability is 0. Probability in the non-leap year there are 28 days. 7 divided by 24, 7, 0 upon 7 is equal to 0. Okay, એટલે આ ટાઈપના સબ્સ્ટના અંદર તમારે શું કરવાનું? Divided by 7 કરી remainder upon 7, that is your answer. 7 is total number of outcomes for all such types of the example. Remainder is your favorable result. Clear? The probability of the month of February of leap year having 5 Thursday is dash. 29 days, 29 divided by 1. So 1 upon 7. 1, that is your favorable result, 1 upon 7. Get it? Now, one example is that if PA is to PA bar is 3 is to 2, then PA is equal to dash, probability of A. Let the common multiple is equal to x. PA is equal to 3x, PA bar is equal to 2x. PA plus PA bar is equal to 1. 3x plus 2x is equal to 1. 5x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, PA bar means 2x. Putting the value of x, 2 upon 5, that is your answer. Okay, now I will send you the exercise that you try to solve it from old practice book. Okay.